tell about how to show or enable a mouse cursor on Android mobile. Sometime people are making the YouTube and other social networking-based recording videos and want to show the mouse cursor on mobile to show which icon, page or image has been clicked to get on next steps. It's pretty simple if you're using Android 4.0 or later. After the setting icon, click on About Phone link. Now we need to click on Software Information. Let's search and click on the build number. Actually in Samsung we need to click at least 7 times to get the developer option enable. In some of other mobile, it might be vary but keep clicking on. Now developer option is enabled. Now press the back button again and again to go the setting page. Or click on setting and then find out the developer options. Our developer option must be enabled. Let's try to find out the Show Touches option. This feature has to be enabled, that will convert our mobile touches into the mouse icons. So, when we touch the icon on mobile, then touch or mouse icon will be also get recorded. That will be really helpful for the tutorial purpose. Let's enable this feature and go to the main screen of the mobile. Hurry, now mobile cursor is changed. When we touch the mobile or move our touches on the screen, we are able to see a circle like mouse cursor is moving on the screen. Even we can also enhance this cursor by increasing the size as well as color of the cursor. Great feature. Now tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.